Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you what Japanese dinner is like part 2. Thank you for so many positive comments on the former video. I didn't realize that you want to watch complete daily dinner preparation. The dishes I introduced you today is so simple but you will never get tired of. Today's main course is grilled mackerel as some of you requested. One more thing I want to tell you is I used sugar instead of mirin in this video. One of the most frequently asked questions is what can be a substitution for mirin? I hope the tutorial is helpful for you guys can access to the mirin. Let's get started. Heat your frying pan on medium. Add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add in sliced garlic while the oil is still warm. Pat dry your eggplant and put into the frying pan. Turn the heat to low, cook about a couple of minutes with the lid on. Flip them over and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes or until soft. While cooking the eggplant, grill the mackerel fillet in the griller or pan fry until the outside is browned and inside is just cooked through. Reduce the sauce until it looks good. Cooking is multitasking, so I always use a timer on Google Home Mini.
Sure, 3 minutes. Starting now.
Everything should be cooked exactly as it needed. Transfer to a dish and sprinkle chopped mitsuba leaves. Next, let me show you my another quick and easy vegetable dish. You can use the seasonal vegetable for this easy recipe like carrot or chard or even onion. Cut your cabbage into bite-sized rectangle against the grains. Slice coarse thinly. This is called aburage, deep-fried tofu. Pour boiling water over it to remove the excess oil and to make it absorb the dashi. Cut into strips. Put the ingredients and water in a pot. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. Add in sugar and soy sauce. Place a kitchen towel over it. Add in bonito flakes. The idea behind this method is steep the umami directly into the ingredients. Put the lid on and cook for 5 minutes. Squeeze out the umami from the bonito flakes and it's done. In this video, I used a vegetable called zuiki, which is the stem of taro, and it can be eaten very limited of time. The texture is slippery and fibrous, but soft. So unique vegetable. And dinner is served. Grilled mackerel for main course, eggplant steak and nibitashi for the side dish. I want to add one more dish because I feel something is missing. So I served Onsen Tamago, which I have prepared a couple of days ago. Soup is clear soup because I used miso for the eggplant. How do you like my dinner? Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese dishes. My store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I used in my video. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Go to my website for more information and printable recipes. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!